All right, Jamaican-born native-bred 3-year-olds will get another warm-up for this season's Classic campaign when they contest 2 more prep races on Saturday's 10-race card at Caymanas Park. Spencer Darlington has our racing preview.
9 runners will go to the post in the 33rd running of the Thornbird Stakes for native-bred 3-year-old fillies over 7 furlongs. Tailor-made to be ridden by Robert Halladine for champion trainer Jason Acosta is the 9-5 anti-post favourite, followed by Victorious Lynx with Ryan Lewis at 5-2, giving thanks to be partnered by Bebita Harvey at 3-1 and Another Wow at 7-2 with inform apprentice Tajay Suku. Tailor-made went all the way in beating 4 of her rivals in Saturday's lineup when landing the Hotline Stakes over 6 furlongs on March 21. She's expected to face stiff competition on the headlines from Victorious Lynx, who is coming off a second-place finish going 6.5 furlongs on February 28. She has also worked well at exercise and is expected to give Tailor-made the biggest challenge, along with Tailor-made's stable companion Dreamcatcher, the mount of Tevin Foster. The Thornbird Stakes will be run as race number 7 at 3:45 p.m. The Prince Consort Stakes for native-bred 3-year-old colts and geldings, also over 7 furlongs, will see 13 runners facing the starter. The lineup includes champion 2-year-old for 2025 with Jamin, the 9-5 second choice in the overnight odds, and to be partnered by 6-time former champion jockey Omar Walker for trainer Peter John Prasad. The anti-post favourite is Salute the Dawn with former champion jockey Dane Dawkins aboard at 8-5. The other fancied runner is Fernando at 5-2 to be guided by 2-time reigning champion jockey Radesh Roman. With Jamin, who ran well against older horses on his seasonal debut on March 1 over 7 furlongs, would have benefited a lot from that outing and should fight out the finish with Salute the Dawn, who won the Sir Howard Stakes impressively 3 weeks ago. This event is slated as the 10th and final at 5:40 p.m. First post for the 10-race card is 11:45 a.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.